So White House, Tennessee, the Eclipse, we've already got a pretty good little portion of the sun covered up. One of the cool things is the little shapes of the shadows. So we get out of there. Oh yeah, great contrast, thank you. Okay, in the big viewing party.
We need you for up and down.
Okay, well here, GoPro's live.
Oh, okay, there you go. You tell us how to do it, Greg.
Okay, so we're just gonna adjust. Wow.
I don't want to mess it up, so.
Okay, so that's been loosened a little bit, so we'll tighten it.
What's it live on?
He's doing a video. Say hi. Say hi, Indiana. He's not really doing it live. It's just for us.
Yeah. All right. Now we're done. So this is something that you just really can't take on. This is like nighttime, just right before it happens. We've got everything running full tilt, and
and no one looks cooler than this.
This is awesome.
Thank you.
Oh no, that's cool.
Yeah, you have to take your glasses off. Oh look, it's like sunset.
Oh yeah.
I didn't know it was going to do that.
Well, they said 360 sunset.
It's sunset everywhere.
It is sunset everywhere.
Ah,
Oh. Oh, you can take your glasses off now.
I can look at it without a glasses.
Yeah. Oh, that is too cool.
sunset everywhere.
Yeah, they said 360.
There's the planet.
Oh yeah.
Whoa!
You see the planet?
Yeah. That is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Whoa! That's the coolest thing I've ever seen.
That is very awesome. It's probably the coolest thing I've ever seen. Look at the sunset back there.
Et là, regarde les étoiles, tu vois? Les étoiles. Il y a une étoile, d'accord. Des étoiles, deux étoiles commencent à arriver.
Oh, there's the other one. There's over there.
Alors, c'est une étoile plus longue. Ça n'a strictement rien à voir que à 99%, ça n'a rien à voir, non, tu vois? Quand tu dis on lève. Film.
Yeah, the star. What is that blue? What's that blue thing blinking?
On essaie de voir l'intensité de la lumière, de tomber dans la nuit. C'est beau, hein? C'est 2 minutes, la lumière réapparaît déjà.
Oh, look at the glow just coming off.
What is that in the sky? Blink, is that a plane?
Yeah, I saw at least one.
Look at this little thing coming down on the right side. And all those little glows there.
Where are these planets?
Yeah, you don't want to be that close to what I'm doing right here.
Yeah.
You don't get that close to what's
There's
going
one
on.
over there.
That's just cool.
Oh, it's starting to change already.
Yep.
Tu vois, un petit bout là. C'est une éruption solaire. C'est des explosions. Ah, ça y est, il revient. Oh, that's the diamond ring! Oh, very cool!
actually.
Oh, that's
I'm
cool.
putting my glasses on.
Oh, you got to now, because look, it's all popped back in.
Don't look at that. Check it out. Wow.
Wow, that is so quick to come back, isn't it?
That was the coolest thing I've ever seen.
That was cool.
Look at the light coming back. Look how epic this light is.
Yeah, that is so cool.
Oh my god. The light is amazing.
Yeah, it's like sunrise, just boom, like that. Wow.
That's cool.
Well, that was a short-lived, but that was awesome, wasn't it? It didn't get as dark as I was thinking it was going to get. I mean, I thought it would be like pitch black. Oh yeah.
This is a camera, that's a camera, there's a camera.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
I like the light now. I think now.
Well, this is always like after the sun.
Oh, this is like after the rain.
Yeah, after the rain.
Oh my gosh.
And the heat's starting to come back too.
I know, it felt good for a couple minutes there.